Traditionally, you are used to adding links through a button, but within this builder, there are a few elements that you can add more than just a URL link. Let's start with the button so that you can see where to access the links and the kind of links that you have access to. I have a button here selected, and from the options toolbar, you see the link option. There are 4 items that can be linked. The traditional URL, you can link to another block on the page. You can create an on-click pop-up, and you can add a file that can be downloaded. Let's start with the URL. This is very simple. Add the website address to which you want this button to link to, and then you choose whether it has to open in a new tab and whether you want it to be a no follow. Second is a block. This allows for jump links within a page. You see, we have all the thumbnails of all the various blocks on this page. By selecting one of them, if a person clicks on this button, it will take them directly to that block. You can create pop-ups, and you can add the file, which you simply upload. Apart from the button, a few other elements also have the ability to be linked. Let's start with the big one, which is a column. And you can see that the link feature also appears here with all the link options in it. Then you have images, same link features, and then text. Click within a text element with the cursor flashing like so, and you link it. It links the entire container of that text. If you want to just link a specific part of the text, you go into it, highlight the text, and then you go ahead and link it.